LinkedIn versus Udemy, which is actually better. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you which platform is better among LinkedIn and Udemy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with LinkedIn. LinkedIn focuses on professional networking and career development, offers a vast database of job listings and recruitment tools, provides industry news, trends, and thought leadership content, great for B2B marketing and business connections, helps users build a professional online presence, not as socially engaging or entertaining as other platforms, primarily focused on text and professional content, higher cost for advertising compared to other social media platforms. Now, let's come towards Udemy. Udemy provides a vast library of courses across multiple subjects, often offers discounts and affordable course prices. Courses can be accessed anytime after purchase with no expiration. Includes quizzes, assignments, and peer reviews for interactive learning. Courses are rated by users, helping others choose quality content. Course quality can vary greatly depending on the instructor. Lacks professional networking features. Certifications may not be as recognized by employers as those from other platforms. Choosing between LinkedIn and Udemy in 2024 depends on what you're looking for. LinkedIn is ideal for professional networking, job searches, and industry focused learning, while Udemy offers diverse and affordable courses across various subjects with interactive content. Consider your need for networking and professional development versus flexible, diverse learning options to determine which platform suits you best. That's all for this video.